Lockjaw right there. Lockjaw right there, and then if you look right here, hawkbird right there. Lockjaw on the thing right there. I'm gonna run lockjaw off from right there. Get off that post. Move from right there. You have to move from right there. You can't stay right there. You can't stay right there. The hawkbird's right there. The hawkbird's up. Do you see that hawkbird? The hawk will get you. You hear me? That hawk's over there. He sure is trusting that hawk. Well, at least the hawk is busy. Oh yeah. You better keep on running.